Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and since it's after Thanksgiving, I decided to pick up some of the Christmas holiday type um, desserts from Dairy Queen. So I got the holiday nog, uh, shake, and I don't think y'all can see that, but it says "Happy Tastes Good." And then I got the peppermint bark, uh, what is it? The peppermint bark blizzard.
Look back, I'm like,
So let's give these a try real quick. I have to bend these straw. Okay, but yeah. And then they also have their sugar cookie, frosted sugar cookie blizzard. Uh, yeah. Um, I might try that. I'm not sure. This is good. This is pretty good. I like this. That's good. Yet I don't know what kind of eggnog they're using for that, but it's got a bit of a sweeter taste to it. Anyway, let's get into this peppermint bark. You do get some of that, you do get the peppermint taste coming through. A little bit of the chocolate. Yeah, okay. It's not bad. But like if you're not big on peppermint, then you might not like this. And with both of them, I got it small. trying to figure out what this other, I don't know if it's a nut or if it's just part of the chocolate. But it's like, I don't know, it's lighter brown. And the farther you go in, the more of the chocolate and all that you get. And it does look like there's like little, maybe some cookie crumbs or something sprinkled in here. Or nutmeg or something, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is good. They're both pretty good. But let me know what your if you like eggnog any. If you even like eggnog, 'cause I know there's some people that don't like it. I get it just about every year. I've even found at the store like different flavored eggnogs. Like there's a chocolate and I think there was a peppermint eggnog. But yeah. Let me know what your Christmas cookie, holiday cookie is. What your favorite one is. You know. I actually just like the classic chocolate chip. And sometimes I'll get those the sugar cookies that have the little designs on them. Pop those in the oven and eat those. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.